Chris! Nakakatawa. Nila yung aking... Yan. Gusto niya kasi nilalaro eh.
Sige. Ha? Okay na no. Pero your point here is that you're being denied of your right to have your open recorded in the police bladder.
Chris!
That's the point.
Chris!
Kinukomplain mo.
Chris!
Police station of Dumaguete City. Where else shall we
Dito
go?
ka, para malamog ka.
Except the Senate to
Para
tell
malamog-lamog
that
lang
this
yung
is
bata na
happening,
yan.
actually happening in Negros Oriental po.
Malaki na mo, kasi
Thank you
malaking
to be safe,
bahay.
Chair.
Taas mo ta ulit.
Malaking bahay.
Anyway.
Yan yung salto.
After that, hindi ayawan ka, ano ginawa mo?
Ay, nabunot ka. Right! Right!
Punta ako doon sa...
Laruin mo yung baby, dali.
Natutulala kay Austin eh.
Laruin mo kasi wala siyang nakikitang bata eh. Ay, nalaruin mo. Hi, Kuya Austin. Hi, Kuya Austin.
Ikaw mo Austin ah. Austin.
O, karga daw, karga. Dali, magkaka-baby na si Tita Nari. Alagaan mo.
Please, smart. Ayan.
Wow. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ay, tuwan-tuwa. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ay,